finally Friday and we're wrapping up this week with something bittersweet from tributes of love pouring in on Rishi Kapoor's first death anniversary to Randhir Kapoor being admitted to the ICU after testing positive for COVID-19, Priyanka and Nick Jonas, Mindy Kaling and other stars pledging help India in her COVID crisis, Ranbir and Alia making a rare appearance and more. Here are the top headlines of the day. On the first death anniversary of Rishi Kapoor, his family, fans, friends and film industry folk kept his memory alive by paying tribute to the fine actor and gentleman he was. While fans flooded social media with their notes of love, Ridhima and Neetu left everyone teary-eyed with their heartfelt posts remembering the father and husband Rishi was. As his friends from the industry shared the kindest words and their best memories, Kareena Kapoor Khan and members of the Kapoor family took to social media to share their best throwback photos with Rishi. Our cameras also spotted Alia Bhatt and Ranbir Kapoor making a rare joint appearance as they visited Neetu at her residence this morning. Our bees were also the first to inform you that Randhir Kapoor became the latest Bollywood celebrity to have tested positive for COVID-19. The veteran actor was admitted to a hospital in Mumbai following his diagnosis. We also learned that he was later shifted to the ICU for further treatment and tests. His condition is stable, sources told our bees. In these trying times of COVID-19, Priyanka Chopra Jonas, Nick Jonas made a heartfelt appeal for COVID-19 relief in India. There is so much left to do and we hope that this momentum we've built will continue, Mr. and Mrs. Jonas said in their video appeal to all to contribute towards relief efforts. Meanwhile, Hollywood star Mindy Kaling took to her social media to post a carousel filled with information on the current situation in India. She further asked everyone to help out and donate to organizations that are helping the country battle the pandemic on the ground level. Meanwhile, on home soil, Kangana Ranaut was back making noise on social media. The actress didn't hold back as she shared her thoughts on the world reacting to the COVID crisis in the country. This time, however, her views didn't go down too well with people and those who lost loved ones in this battle. Social media users slammed the actress for her harsh criticism of foreign media, spreading the word about the ground realities the country and its citizens have been facing amid the second wave. Share your thoughts on this in the comments below. And finally, wrapping things up on a filmy note, the buzz is that Shahid Kapoor is going the digital way and will be making his production debut with an upcoming mythological drama based on Amish Tripathi's book. Rumor has it that Shahid cracked a smashing deal and will allegedly be paid to the tune of over rupees 70 to 80 crores for the trilogy. That's all for today, folks. We'll be back on Monday with more. Till then, stay home and stay safe. Bye-bye.